Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel! Today, we're tackling a huge topic that might sound intimidating, but is actually super empowering. Investing. You've probably heard people talk about it, seen it in movies, or maybe just wondered what it's all about. Let's break it down in a way that's simple and not scary at all. So, what even is investing? Think of it like planting a money tree. You take a little bit of your money, your seed, and you plant it somewhere it can grow over time. Instead of just sitting in a savings account, your money is put to work, potentially earning more money for you. This is how you build long-term wealth and fight against inflation, which is that sneaky thing that makes your money worth less over time. Now, you might be thinking, but isn't investing risky? What if I lose all my money? That's a valid concern. Yes, there are risks, but there are also smart ways to manage them. The key is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead of buying stock in just one company, you can spread your investment across many different companies, industries, or even countries. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are a fantastic way to do this, as they're like a pre-made basket of different investments, so you're instantly diversified. Getting started is easier than ever. You don't need a fancy suit or $1 million. There are so many apps and online platforms that let you start investing with just a few dollars. The most important thing is to start early. Why? Because of something magical called compound interest. It's basically your earnings making their own earnings. The longer your money is invested, the more time it has to compound and grow exponentially. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger. So, my challenge for you is this. Start learning. You don't have to jump in tomorrow, but start educating yourself. Read a book, watch some videos, find a creator you trust, and just get comfortable with the concepts. Your future self will seriously thank you for it. Building financial freedom is a journey, and every big journey starts with a single step. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more content to help you master your money. See you in the next one!